Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dr. Rosaiza. My name is Ain Emilia Ashila binti Sarudin. My metric number is S59759. I'm from K1, and for this assignment I choose to do a corporate tax computation, and the company that I choose is Farm Fresh Berhad, and this is the situation for Farm Fresh Berhad. Farm Fresh Berhad is a company resident in Malaysia, runs a company that manufacturing and sale of dairy products commenced on 1 January 2015. The company paid up capital is 6 million. The company financial year ended 31 December annually, and this is the profit or loss for the company, and we get and below it is the notes to the account. So to do the tax computation, it start with profit or loss before tax. Profit or loss before tax we can get from the situation where this net profit before taxation amounted to 5,160,500 ringgit. So we take this amount and put it here, and next we proceed with interest on deposit. For interest on fixed deposit for Malaysia, we need to put it, we need to deduct from the tax computation amounted to 50,000 ringgit. Next is salary for handicapped employee. For this, we need to see the notes to account for staff remuneration. It says here that note number 1, so we see from the note number 1, it says that included in the above salary, payment made to 2 handicapped employee who was employed by the company was registered under Labour Department since 1 January 2020 with a monthly salary 2,000 ringgit 500. So 2,000 ringgit 500 times by 2 employee and times by 12 months, because the employee started work from 1 January. So the amount is 60,000. Next, for director's remuneration. For director's remuneration, salary and travelling allowance, both were deducted from the tax computation and treated as a nil. So in this tax computation, 0 was represented nil. So next, depreciation. Depreciation was we need to add back the depreciation amounted 40,500. And next, for donation, the company made 2 donation. First for RM 50,000 to UKM Specialist Hospital, and the second donation was made to Rumah Anak Yatim Accord, RM 50,000. So add the both amount and we put RM 100,000 on the add back side. Next, for general provision for doubtful debts. For this, we need to see the notes for bad debt, which is note number 5, and it says here that bad debt include general provision for doubtful debts RM 10,000. So we for treatment for general provision for doubtful debts is we need to add back the amount, so we add back the 10,000. Next, for advertising on Malaysian brand, we deduct 50,000 because Farm Fresh is a Malaysian brand. So treatment for advertising for Malaysian brands, we need to treat them as double deduction. So we put it on the deduct side, 15,000. So add up the amount for the deduct side and add up the amount for add back side, and we can get the adjusted business income by add this amount and minus the deductible amount. So the adjusted income from business is 5,107,000. So next, to get the statutory income, we need to add the balancing charge, which for this for Farm Fresh, we have no balancing charge since we have no any disposal or sale of fixed asset, and we need to deduct the capital allowance. So there is no unabsorbed capital allowance, but there is current year capital allowance amounted to 63,000. So 63,000 we can get it from here, the company asset. 63,000 is 175,000 times 20%, the annual allowance rate, and 200,000 times 40%, and we get the amount of 63,000. Then we get the statutory income amounted to 5,044,000. Next, we need to less the unabsorbed business losses with which the company doesn't have it, and add back the interest on fixed deposit amounted to 50,000. Then we can get the aggregate income for the business, which is amounted to 5,094,000. Then we need to deduct the donation. For the calculation of the approved donation is we can calculate it for 10% of the aggregate income or 25,000. Which one is the lower? So 10% times the aggregate income for this year assessment is 509,400 for this company. So we take 25,000, which is the lower amount, and there is no zakat. And the total chargeable income for this year assessment is 5,069,000. And we can calculate the tax payable for the year assessment. So the first RM 600,000 will be times with 17%, and we get the amount of 102,000. And the excess from 600% from the chargeable income, we need to times it with 24%, and we get the amount of 1,072,560. So that's all from me. Thank you.